out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly. I make art videos. I do product reviews, tutorials, and tips for creative moms. So if you are into content like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss anything. And if you really don't want to miss anything, as for what YouTube is saying, make sure you hit that bell icon so you do get notified of all my new uploads. Alright, so today's video is a small shark tooth study. This is a sand tiger shark's tooth, and I am doing this in graphite. I used my AN mechanical pencil to sketch it out, and then I used a couple, I think 3 of my Faber-Castell graphite pencils. I used the HB, the 6B, and the 8B to complete this little piece. And then I go in and seal it in with my Daniel Smith watercolor dot cards, just to test out a new tip that I found, and it would basically seal your graphite pieces and keep it from the graphite smudging onto another page in your sketchbook. And I believe that was Hulloalice's sketchbook tips video, so I will leave that linked in the video description below if you guys want to check that out. Using my blending stump here to get my values correct and make sure everything is nice and smooth. And then I'm coming in with that 8B and kind of really putting in where I want my darks to go, and then I will blend this out, and then I will go ahead and pull some highlights out with my Tombow Mono Zero eraser, which is that little mechanical eraser thing that I'm using right now to pull out some highlights. And for as little as this piece was, I thought it was so much fun to work in this little itty bitty sketchbook that Sketchbox sent me way back when. And it was like I never really know what to put in there, and I was like, well, I'm just going to do a couple studies in here. And so this little shark tooth was perfect for it, and I'm really happy with the result. And I did really like the results of putting the watercolor over the graphite to seal it in. I thought that was brilliant. So make sure you guys check out Hulloalice's sketchbook tips video, and like I said, I will leave that linked in the video description below. I hope you guys are enjoying Shark Week and Shark Art Week. I should have one more video coming up for you guys tomorrow. I have to finish the piece, but yeah, so expect that. It might be a little bit later in the day, but I'm hoping to have that done for you guys by the end of Sunday. Let me know if you guys are interested in having this as stickers or prints or something, and I will make that available to you because I really think it's really cute and how cute it came out. Alright guys, that's the final product. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and why not hit that subscribe button, because, well, it's fun and it's free. So yeah, and don't forget to let me know in the comments below if you're watching Shark Week this year. See you in the next one. Bye. We'll have a Netflix marathon,